Did you know that the 2025 Maserati GranCabrio Folgore is Maserati's first all-electric convertible? Let's dive into what makes this car a game changer in the luxury automotive market. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Maserati GranCabrio Folgore. This is Maserati's latest electric marvel, featuring sleek styling and an open-top design that invites you to experience the outdoors. With 3 electric motors generating up to 818 horsepower, the GranCabrio Folgore promises exhilarating performance, matching the coupe version in speed and range. Speaking of range, the EPA estimates it can travel up to 233 miles per charge. The fabric roof folds away compactly, and the lightweight aluminum and magnesium construction enhances both performance and efficiency. Inside, the GranCabrio is a feast for the senses, lined with high-quality materials and a plethora of tech features, including a 12.3-inch infotainment display, a digital gauge cluster, and a premium Sonus Faber sound system. As a new model for 2025, the GranCabrio Folgore builds on the success of its Gran Turismo counterpart, and it comes at a starting price of $206,995. This price tag reflects only a slight premium over the gas-powered version, offering a unique electric option in a dwindling market for convertibles. In terms of performance, the GranCabrio Folgore is equipped with an all-wheel drive system and a torque vectoring feature that enhances handling. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 2.7 seconds. And while it features regenerative braking, it doesn't quite offer one-pedal driving, which some might miss. The cabin accommodates 4 with eco-friendly materials used throughout. The standard upholstery is made from EcoNil, created from recycled nylon, and the interior offers vibrant color schemes. Although the rear seats are a bit snug, they can fit adults for shorter trips or serve as extra storage space. Tech lovers will appreciate the GranCabrio's advanced infotainment system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a secondary climate control touchscreen. A head-up display and a premium stereo system are also standard. Safety is another priority for Maserati, featuring standard automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist. The warranty coverage is standard for the segment, offering 4 years or 50,000 miles of coverage, but without complimentary scheduled maintenance. So there you have it. The 2025 Maserati GranCabrio Folgore blends luxury, performance, and electric efficiency into one stunning package. What do you think? Would you take this electric convertible for a spin? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.